Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply text animation in CapCut easily. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Then select your video. Now press on text. Now click on add text. Enter your text. Now here you can find the option of animations. Click on this. Now here you'll find different animations. You can choose one of them which you like. I'm choosing this one. Press on this sign button. That's it. So this is how to apply text animations in CapCut easily. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.